Are you losing customers because they can't reach you after hours? Many repair shops have this struggle. Website visitors bounce or endure missed calls with no live help. Potential customers give up and leave. AI video chats changes that, answering instantly via chat, voice, or video, day or night. It qualifies each lead by vehicle, issue, and urgency. Every inquiry gets the attention it deserves. This smart system routes calls, texts, or appointments directly to your team. No more wasted time. You only deal with real customers, not tire kickers. Focus on jobs that matter most for your shop. It works 24/7 to capture leads no one else can, filling your schedule with better jobs. Bookings increase, especially from local near-me users. Your calendar fills up with quality appointments. Faster responses mean fewer lost customers and stronger trust in your repair shop. Imagine your day with no missed calls and a fully booked calendar. Your business thrives. Ready to stop missing leads and start growing? Act now with AI video chats and watch your shop thrive.